Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 6. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the segment with endpoints -2, 5 and -5, 2. Yan. So, hanapin daw natin yung equation nung perpendicular bisector ng segment na may endpoints -2, 5 and -5, 2. So, ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng perpendicular bisector? So, halimbawa, meron tayong segment, okay, which is, let's say, ito na yung given nating endpoint ng segment, -2, 5 and -5, 2. So, yung perpendicular bisector nito is mag-i-intersect siya sa midpoint netong segment na perpendicular at that point. Okay? So, pag kinuha natin yung equation ng perpendicular bisector, which is itong line na to, kailangan natin ng isang point, which is ito, pwede natin i-consider yung midpoint bale netong dalawang segment, endpoint netong segment. Tapos, kukuhain natin yung slope niya. Para using point slope form, makukuha natin yung equation ng line. So, kuhain natin yung point muna na to. Okay, yung midpoint. Let's say, x, y. Using the midpoint formula, yung x-coordinate is equal to x1 plus x2 over 2. So, let's say ito yung x1, y1, at si x2, y2. So, therefore, the x-coordinate is x1, -2, plus x2 is -5 over 2. So, that's -2 plus -5, that's -7 over 2. And then, for the y-coordinate naman, nung midpoint, that's equal to y1 plus y2 over 2. So, substitute, y1 is 5 plus y2 is 2 over 2. So, that's 5 plus 2 or 7 over 2. So, therefore, itong point na to is siya si -7/2, +7/2. Ngayon, kailangan natin ng slope. So, di ba, perpendicular nga itong bisector natin sa segment. So, dapat negative reciprocal yung slope nila. So, kukuhain ko muna yung slope netong segment, -2, 5 to -5, 2. Bale, ang slope niya is, ang slope formula is rise over run or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So, y2 is 2 minus y1 is 5 over x2 is -5 minus x1 is -2. So, 2 minus 5, -3 over -5 minus -2. So, -5 plus 2 na siya. -3, right? So, -3 over -3 is +1. So, para makuha yung slope ng perpendicular bisector, it should be the negative reciprocal netong slope ng segment na equal siya sa 1 yung nakuha natin. So, negative reciprocal ng 1 is, so, slope ng perpendicular bisector should be equal to negative reciprocal, bale, negative reciprocal ng 1 is 1 over 1 or simply 1 pa rin. Okay, so therefore, meron na tayong slope tsaka point na -7/2, 7/2. So, using point slope form of a line, ang formula nun is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So, yung x1, y1 natin is itong midpoint. Tapos, yung m natin is itong -1. So, substitute natin y minus y1, 7 halves, equals m, negative 1, times x minus x1, negative 7 halves. And so magiging y minus 7 halves equals, distribute ko yung negative, negative x, tapos ito magiging, kasi negative times negative, positive 7 halves. Tapos distribute pa natin yung negative, magiging minus 7 halves na siya. Okay? And then, transpose ko si negative x dito sa kaliwa. So, magiging positive x plus y equals, transpose ko si negative 7 halves dito sa kanan. So, magiging negative 7 halves plus 7 halves. So, x plus y is equal to negative 7 halves plus 7 halves. That's 0. And so, therefore, this is the equation of the perpendicular bisector. X plus y equals 0.